Welcome to the Finnleo S820, where advanced technology meets the art of relaxation. This infrared sauna is crafted not only for comfort and luxury, but also for a safer wellness experience, with some of the lowest EMR and EF ratings in the industry. Let's talk about what makes infrared different from a traditional sauna. In a traditional sauna, heat is generated by warming the air to a high temperature, which then warms your body. This method can sometimes feel intense due to the high temperatures required. In contrast, infrared saunas use infrared light waves to heat the body directly, without significantly warming the air around you. These light waves penetrate the skin more effectively, allowing you to experience deep warmth and relaxation at a much lower temperature. This makes infrared ideal for those seeking a gentler, more comfortable heat that still delivers all the benefits, like muscle relaxation, improved circulation, and stress relief. Imagine unwinding in a space designed to help you escape, featuring a full spectrum of chromotherapy lighting. These LED lights are carefully designed to soothe your mind and body with colors that promote relaxation, energy, or calm, depending on what you need. Simply select a color and let the ambient light do its work. For an added sensory experience, the S820 also includes aromatherapy. A few drops of essential oil transform each session into a refreshing escape, where soothing scents calm the mind, lifting your mood as you enjoy the sauna's gentle warmth. And to complete this luxurious experience, the Finnleo S820 is equipped with Bluetooth functionality. Connect your device to stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or calming sounds, creating a personalized atmosphere that transports you away from the stresses of the day. With the Finnleo S820, your wellness routine reaches new heights. Safe infrared technology, immersive chromotherapy lighting, soothing aromatherapy, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity, all within one state-of-the-art sauna. Embrace a smarter, healthier, and more relaxing way to unwind with Finnleo.